أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal, and in this tutorial we are going to start dua for leaving the masjid. Let us start. I will read first. You should repeat after me while carefully look and understand the sound of the letters. The green colors whenever come make the bold sound or heavy sound. Whenever red colors come here in this tutorial, you should make the nasal sound there, right? Let us start now. Allahumma, Allahumma, inni, inni, as'aluka, as'aluka, min fadlika, min fadlika. You should hide the sound of noon into your nose. On this place we make the ikhfa sound, right? That's why we hide the sound of noon into nose. We say again, but for we long 1 second there, like min, min fadlik. If you stop, we say fadlik. Otherwise we say min fadlika, min fadlika. Now I repeat the whole. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlika. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlika. I hope you understand this. If you have any kind of question, you can comment us under this tutorial. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new dua. Take care, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Inshallah, I will be here with one more new tutorial. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.